Hello, today we will guide you through how to add Social Security income in Boldin. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your Social Security benefits reflected in your plan, so projections are more accurate and personalized. First, open Boldin and head to the Planner dashboard, which displays the overview of your plan. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account. The overview is your starting point for making updates to the assumptions that power your financial plan. From the dashboard, select My Plan. This takes you into the workspace where you manage inputs that drive your retirement and cash flow projections. Here you'll see categories for expenses, savings, and what we need next, income. Choose Income to open the section where all income sources are listed. You'll find Social Security among the available items. Adding precise Social Security details helps Boldin model your benefits across the years you expect to claim. Open Social Security to view and edit its details. Look for the small edit icon, often a pencil, and click it to enable changes. If your plan includes more than one person, ensure you're viewing the correct profile before editing. Now enter your benefit at full retirement age, which in this example is set at 67 years and 0 months. Full retirement age, or FRA, is the age at which you're entitled to your standard benefit before early reductions or delayed credits. Use the amount shown on your most recent Social Security statement. Pay attention to whether the field expects a monthly or annual figure and enter the number accordingly. If the interface shows currency formatting automatically, simply type the digits. The system will handle punctuation. Next, select your claiming age. This is the age you plan to start receiving benefits. Claiming before FRA typically reduces the monthly amount, while claiming after FRA increases it with delayed retirement credits. Choose the age that best matches your strategy. Boldin will adjust the projected benefit based on this selection and align it with the rest of your plan's timeline. Once everything looks correct, click Save. You should see your inputs reflected immediately, and your income charts or summaries will update to include the Social Security amounts according to the claiming age you selected. If something doesn't look right, reopen the edit icon and adjust the figures. That's it. You've added Social Security income to your plan in Boldin. Revisit this section whenever your statement updates or your claiming strategy changes, so your plan stays current and realistic.